Are you looking for a MIG welder that is really good for your work or home? If so, then you are in the right place to find out the best MIG welder for the money. In this video, I am going to explain how you will choose the right best MIG machine for you. And I reviewed here the top 10 best MIG welder on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 6. Hobart Handler 210 MVP. If you are looking for a good welder under $1,000, Hobart Handler 210 MVP welder can be an optimal option for you. It can be the best budget MIG welder that you would be paying. It is the only Hobart welder that has the capability to run 210A of power in a portable case. It can be suitable for a wide range of applications and has maintained the reputation of the brand of creating reliable machines. One can use it for household repair jobs or any construction. You can control the speed of wire feed as you want, which delivers you with a high-quality arc performance. It helps you to achieve a high quality of welds by allowing you to attach 2 different receptacles for input voltage. It will give you the option for selecting 7 different voltage positions for 230 volt and 4 separate voltage settings for 115 volts. At 230 volt, the power output ranges from 25 amperes to 210 amperes, and at 115 volt, PO, ranges from 25 amperes to 140 amperes. To regulate your settings, you will receive a setup chart and guideline. The welding gun is 10 foot and it has a 5-foot gas hose. It comes with a built-in feature for safety, including protection for motor and thermal overload. It has also got an area for storage internally. Comes with a 10-foot rugged MIG gun. Gas regulator with 5-foot gas hose. Heavy-duty ground clamp and cable. And a roll of flux cord wire and extra tips you can start welding right out of the box. As I mentioned, this machine will run off of 115 or 230. Comes with both plugs to run off of either voltage. And all you have to do is pick the appropriate plug. Line up the arrows on the cable on the plug, screw it on, plug it into the input power. The machine will automatically recognize whether it's 115 or 230. You don't have to do any switching inside the machine. The variable speed wire feed control. 7 tab settings. Allowing you to fine-tune your weld down to 24 gauge steel. And up to 3/8 mild steel in a single pass when you're on the 230 volt plug. It has 3-year limited warranty. At number 7. Everlast Power MIG 200 MIG Stick 200 amp welder, dual voltage 110V 220V spool gun ready. Everlast Power MIG 200 dual voltage MIG welder comes with insulated gate bipolar transistor (IGBT) inverter technology. The specialty of this IGBT is it ensures higher output and lower input power. Moreover, this feature makes this welder machine more potential. Everlast MIG 200 is not only a MIG welder, one can use it as a stick welder or a flux cord welding machine. It is optional. Without all these, the Everlast Power MIG 200 also has some fantastic features such as dual voltage option, higher output in the lower input, high duty cycle, highly portable, multi-process machine, and so on. All its functions are described below for the readers to gather more knowledge about them. Some key features of Everlast Power MIG 200. Number 1. Dual voltage system. Everlast 200 can run from 110 volt to 220 volt, standard household current 110V. So you can operate this machine outside the house where the minimum 110 volt power supply is available. One can also run this welder machine with a generator. This feature ensures a high range of effectiveness. Number 2. Digital IGBT inverter technology. As it is said before that this MIG 200 welder can run with little input power, but its IGBT option ensures higher output, maximum 200A, with this lower input power. So with this feature, you will have more control on switching speed, and you will get the high capacity voltage. Moreover, this feature is much needed for the welder machine that runs at low voltage. Furthermore, this feature also ensures the long life of the machine. Number 3. Spool gun ready. Everlast Power MIG 200 welder machine has an option to insert a spool gun. Moreover, by entering spool gun, you will be able to weld aluminum more smoothly with less spatter. However, to weld aluminum with spool gun, you will need aluminum wire and argon gas. Number 4. Euro Style Quick Adjuster. MIG Stick Welder Combo offers Euro Style Quick Adjuster that will help you to switch spool gun for stick welding very quickly, where the work environment won't support you to MIG welding. This adjuster also saves cost by allowing to use aftermarket gun. Number 5. Arc Force Control. As we know, this 200 amp MIG welder can do both the MIG welding and stick welding. But you don't need to control the switch for MIG and stick welding because this machine can automatically control the switch for both the modes. It controls the rise of time of the current in MIG modes, and in stick modes, the welder machine controls the behave of arc performance. Number 6. Various types of metal in different thickness. MIG 200 welder can weld chrome moly steel, stainless steel, and steel in various diameter. Moreover, the width starts from 24 gauge to 5/16 inches. It can weld maximum 7/16 inches in a single pass and 3/4 inches in multiple passes at 240 volt, and at 120 volt, this machine can weld maximum 1/8 inches in a single pass and 1/4 inches in many passes. However, it is not recommended to weld more than 1/4 inches in a single pass as sound welding method. The maximum diameter for welding with the electrode is 3/32 inches at 120 V and 5/32 inches at 240 volt. Number 7. Cost and warranty. The value for Everlast Power MIG 200 dual voltage MIG welder is not too much when you will consider its features. Because you can't expect such a fantastic features welding machine at a low price. Moreover, the warranty for this welding machine is 5 years and the warranty service is reliable. At number 8. Lotos MIG 140 wire welder. If you are aiming at creating a balance between price and performance, go with Lotos MIG 140 wire welder. The company of this product has maintained its reputation for providing affordable welders over the years. The welder is convenient to use both for construction works and DE projects. It allows you to weld mild steel, stainless steel, and other metal materials. It comes with 2 digital displays. It works with both flux cord and solid wires. So it can be used without shielding gas. If you're using a shielding gas, you can attach the tank to the welder with the hose included with the package. The machine also comes with a pressure gauge. You can use the gauge to adjust the CFH. You can adjust the wire type, wire thickness, feed speed and voltage to weld 24 gauge thin metals to 1/4 inch thick metals. Now the welder has a very user-friendly control panel on its front. From there, you can change the voltage and wire feed speed according to your preferences. It comes with 2T and 4T switches. So it is suitable for both short times manual works and more extended periods. It can make thicker metal than the Lincoln Handy MIG. Wire feed speed and voltage selector have 10 positions. Plus a digital display shows you the arc voltage in volts and feed speed in inches per minute. The display lets you adjust welding parameters with amazing precision. Also, an overload protective device safeguards the welder against overheating. The aluminum wire feeder offers a much better welding experience and also accepts a good range of material sizes. It includes MIG torch, ground clamp cable, argon regulator, contact tips, welding mask, and wire. At number 9. Lotos MIG 175 welder. If you are searching for a welder that can weld almost anything, purchase Lotos MIG 175 AMP MIG welder. It can weld steel, aluminum, stainless steel. One can use it with flux core and comes with its own gas regulator. It can use dual voltage. It is also capable of handling any size of wire reels. It is a budget-friendly welding machine. This welder has various features. A spool gun is included in the package. It saves a lot of your time by feeding the wire evenly. It gives you a steady arc that heats the metal. This machine has thermal overload protection, which doesn't allow this machine to overheat. It weighs 85 pounds. Still, it can adjust itself easily in enclosed spaces and can get the job done. It comes with a spool gun to feed the wire, which can handle standard-sized reels easily. The package also includes argon regulator, face shield, welding torch, which can reach above 8 feet, gas hose, and cleaning brushes for the torch and spool gun. It comes with MIG torch, aluminum spool gun, ground clamp cable, gas hose, argon regulator, contact tips, welding mask, and wire, etc. It has a 2-step trigger. It releases the gas first and then uses the arc. You can adjust the speed of wire feed as you want. It gets the welding jobs fast. It has the potential to beat some of the expensive MIGs. It is easy to work with, reliable and durable. The company has great customer support. An optimal option for you if you love DE. It can be used without gas. Thermal overload protection. Welds fast and welds are precise. It gives you a neat weld. The company offers a 30-day refund. 1-year warranty. At number 10. Forney Easy Weld 261 140 FCI MIG welder. If you want a welder for maintenance and repair, for For metal fabrication, and if you are a hobbyist, you should go with this one. It is a 140 ampere flux cord wire welder. It weighs only 19 pounds. And it comes with features of infinite wire feed speed. It does not require gas to run. It can run off standard household power as long as one has at least a breaker of 20 amperes. It requires 120 volts of input and output is of 140 amperes. It has the ability to weld 24 gauge up to 1/4 inches, 6.35 millimeters. This product also comes with 8 MIG gun, 8 ground clamp, and 20 amperes minus 25 amperes adapter. The duty cycle is 30% at 90 amperes. Is a great machine for maintenance and repair, metal fabrication, and hobbyists. Recommended accessories for this machine are contact tips, welding nozzles, diffuser, flux core MIG wire, anti-spatter spray, and nozzle gel. Some of the users said that the wire burned back to the tip immediately once they tried to set the maximum speed, even at the lowest current setting. 12-month warranty.